Hello everyone, if your Windows is booting up with no Explorer, you just have a black screen with your cursor, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying black screen with no Explorer error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hold the Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys on your keyboard. So just hold all three of these keys on your keyboard. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this Run New Task here. You're going to write here explorer.exe, press OK, and that is it. So as you can see, we have successfully fixed our black screen with no Explorer. Now you can see you have your Explorer, you can do whatever you want, you can go play your games, you can browse your internet. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.